Alright, we're watching how Angelica's gonna go up the stairs. Go up the stairs, baby! Go, go up the stairs!
Angelica! Come here!
Sometimes you think about, like, oh, should I tattoo my forehead? And two dominatrixes on my arm? How do you explain that to a 4-year-old? The classic parent attitude to a kid, like, I brought you into this world, I gave you life. It's like, I just think completely opposite. My kids gave me life.
Come here, Mama.
You know, they gave me a reason.
And there it is. So basically what that means is that we have to watch her every second of every day now. Because she can pretty much go everywhere. Hi, Mama! Watch her, babe. Babe, watch her.
Oh no, you can't go back down now. That's scary. That's scary. Oh no. Oh no, there's an ant.
Hi, Mama! Hi, Mama! Angelica, what are you doing? What's the baby doing? What's this? Angelica. Hey, Angelica. Angelica. Oh, too late now.
I know I am, man. I'm nobody's bitch anymore. Bullshit. It's business. I'm gonna end this everything except for Greg.
I'm coming to get you. 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 Oh no, I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. Hi, Mama. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. What is that? Is that a rug? Is that a rug? Is that a rug? What you doing? Say bye-bye. Angelica. Say bye-bye.